Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a little videography crash course with you. So I have the Weebill S stabilizer, and I also got the additional Transmount Focus motor. Look at that bad boy. So you want to have her set to manual on the lens and the camera. You want to plug in Transmount motor to the stabilizer. Have the gear set to a little ring that you put around your focus ring on the lens, and then set it up on your stabilizer. Stabilize it first manually, turn it on, and away we go. Now I'm going to show you what the Transmount Focus motor does. This is so cool. So this little dial right here, okay, look at this. We're in manual focus right now, so in technicality it is focused on the trees. Now we're going to come in real close here and focus on these leaves, and you will see the difference. Look at that. So now out of focus, rolling, rolling, in focus. There you go. Now we walk away and it's blurry. So we're going to roll it again, forward, boom. And you'll see this little tag here move back and forth. You just want to set the tag at a point that when you focus at the furthest point away, so that would be about here, which is nice and easy for me to remember because I go, oh yeah, it's almost to the very edge of this ring here. Now you can take this off and reset it and move it over a little bit more if you need to. But once that's all set, then you can sit here and you can practice focusing with your handy dandy little scroll wheel. And no longer do you have to rely on the camera to focus for you. You don't have to do autofocus. And you don't have to touch the camera at all while stabilizing. How cool is that? There you go, little videography crash course. And one last one we'll do for you for fun. So we have the PF mode. So it's kind of like a point of view follow mode, whereby wherever you turn the camera, it'll kind of follow almost exactly with like a slight little delay. That's the dead band. So that little delay there is the dead band. Mine's set to 5, so it's not much at all. And the camera will go pretty much wherever you want it to. Okay, now we're going to go into lock mode. Lock mode's fun. Lock mode is where you can move the camera up or down and it stays locked on that exact plane. So this is where you could do like really cool pan shots. Like that. See if I turn. Look at this. Now I'm in front of the camera. Whoop. Super fun. I love this. The only thing that's unfortunate is you gotta lock it where you want it. But you can tilt. Hello. You can tilt the camera up and down, but it'll still stay locked on that plane of existence. Now if you want to unlock it, just go back to PF mode, and then you're unlocked, whoop, but your tilt will still be inactive. So it will be active. So you want to make sure you get your tilt nice and straight and level as much as you can. Starting for the next one, point of view mode. Now this one's really fun. This one is like dance floor worthy. So basically wherever you tilt this angle of this gimbal stabilizer handle, it will tell the camera to be straight in line with it at all times. So straight in line, straight in line. Now watch this. Straight in line. Whoop. Straight in line. And we'll tilt it back. Look at that. Straight in line. There you go. So now this one's really fun and really, really fast. So you can go woof, woof, woof. And you can do some pretty wild shots with this. You can do tables really easily if you want to do like this. So many things you can do with the point of view mode. Super, super fun. And I love this too because no longer do I get that nasty noise when I'm filming on my camera. So I have like a wireless mic, but I also have a mic that I can attach by hot shoe up here for backup. So nothing worse than listening to the focus motor constantly go in and out, in and out, in and out. No, it's all on me. And it's fairly quiet. So, I'm so excited about this. I am ready for tomorrow's wedding. We are going to be filming a red water wedding. And it's going to be at the hockey rink. I cannot wait. I got to charge up my gear and get everything ready.